Carlos Ramirez, owner of NBS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey, and Daytona, Florida. Monty took the 3-hour trip from Connecticut to New Jersey to get the audio upgraded on his brand new Road Glide. So he opted to go for a stage 1 2-speaker setup, which will be upgraded in a few weeks to a 4-speaker setup. Let him hear a few bikes. We had 2 or 3 new body style Road Glides for him to listen to. So he got the exact sound that he wanted, the exact look that he wanted, and we went in that direction. So we went with the new Cicada grills that just came out. There's 2 versions of the grills. In yesterday's video, we used the ones that had the tweeter mounted to the grill directly. On Monty's bike, he didn't want to see the tweeter, so we went with the completely flush, no opening. We did an NVS Audio high-res tweeter behind the grill, and then we did the Cicada CMX 6.5 carbon fiber mid-base in the factory location. And the way the Cicada designed new grills, the small tweeter fits perfectly behind the grill and you have a completely OEM look. It worked out really good for him because he had actually, well, not him, a shop had actually broken the clips on the bottom of the grill, which is something that happens often on the factory CVO grills. Looks really good, sounds really good. We went with the Nav TV Zen interface to remove the factory amplifier. We did the Cicada FLX 1400.4P DSP amplifier. Everything fit in the fairing nicely, no cutting. Pre-wired it for the rear speakers that we're going to add later. Did an NBS Audio 8K2 4-gauge wiring kit. Everything was plug and play. No cutting, no grinding. Sounded phenomenal. He stayed, hung out with us the entire day while we finished the install for him. And then watched me go through the RTA tune. Showed him a little bit. He's a blogger on YouTube, so he's going to be posting a video of the entire process. Showed him some quick tips on how we tune and why we do what we do. Gave him a quick walkthrough on the RTA. It was cool hanging out with him all day. Check out how it came out. Sounds really good.
There's something exceptional, unique about a woman.
I'm gonna do some editing, so no worries. So I'm here at NVS Audio, and well, obviously this is the end of the video, but here I am with the man himself, Carlos, and that system sounds phenomenal. But I wanted him to tell you what they did to my bike, and because I'm not gonna do it justice.
Okay, so we started with the Zen module so we can remove the factory amplifier. Then we went from the Zen module into the Cicada 1400.4P DSP amplifier. That feeds we use channel 1 and 2 to feed the speaker pods with CMX carbon fiber mid-bass drivers and NVS audio high-res tweeters. Paired those together on 1 and 2. We left 3 and 4 open to do the 6 lines on his next visit. RTA tuned the bike, showed him step by step where we were correcting the curve, and it showed us on the screen it was beautiful. Listened to it, it was beautiful, and that's it.
So I'm getting ready to head back to Connecticut. Like, it's 95 degrees outside, but at least I'll have some good audio to go home with.
Thanks for trusting us.
Oh, thank you.
Send that over.